Hello foodies, my name is Christopher Freed and welcome to the Opa vlog, redefining Greek cuisine, live from my studio. Today we are talking about the almighty egg.
Alright!
Some important things to know about the egg. The exterior eggshell is actually made up of tiny little pores and is made up of calcium carbonate crystals, point blank meaning air can actually pass through the pores. Thickness or the thinness of the egg depends on the age of the chicken. Some favorite classic Greek dishes of mine, one is the avgolemono. It's pretty much an egg lemon sauce, utilized most commonly to create the famous Greek soup, but also utilized for overstuffed grape leaves, serving over fish, and many other seafood items. Before we start cooking, I'm going to tell you all about the egg we are using today. They come from a local farm in Nicoya, Florida called Lake Meadow Naturals Egg Farm. First off, guys, this place is absolutely incredible, and it is the true definition of knowing where your food comes from. They're committed to provide high-quality farm-fresh eggs. Not only do they sell eggs, but they also provide grass-fed meats, fresh citrus juice, homemade jams, and much more. Now, not only is the place incredible, but the owner is a true class act, and his team was just incredible as well. I highly recommend you check them out. Now we are going to show you how to make the Avgolemono lemon egg sauce. First thing that you're going to need is 8 ounces of chicken stock, 1 ounce of lemon juice, fresh squeezed, 3 farm fresh eggs, half tablespoon of dill, salt and pepper so you can season at the end of the cooking. The chicken stock is also going to need to be brought to a boil, and you're going to use that once we get a little further in the demonstration. First thing you're going to do is you're going to crack all 3 of the eggs into the bowl. After you do that, you're going to want to grab a whisk and you're going to whisk the eggs all the way until they're very, very fluffy. Just like that. After the eggs are nice and fluffy, what you're going to want to do is you're going to add the lemon juice and you're going to continue to whisk. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your hot chicken stock and you are going to slowly add the chicken stock into your egg mixture. This is called tempering. You want to make sure that you do this so the eggs do not turn into scrambled eggs. Once it's all done, you put it back in the pot. You're going to put it on a nice low heat and you're going to constantly stir it so the same thing doesn't happen. You don't want it to turn into scrambled eggs. So you're going to get a beautiful sauce. You're going to add your dill, season with your salt and pepper, give it a nice stir, and just like that, you've made your avgolemono sauce. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. If you liked today's video, be sure to subscribe and comment. Question to leave you guys with for the day: what came first, the chicken or the egg?